We are 1 week away from California's primary election. The incoming storm is getting the attention of election officials, especially El Dorado and Placer counties. They are preparing for the wide range of weather expected in their diverse terrain and elevation. The Placer County Elections Office reminds voters they can use their mail-in ballots and return them as long as they are postmarked by March 5th. For voters who want to cast their ballots in person, the county has several what they call inclement weather procedures in place to ensure voter access during the voting period. Those measures include private snow removal and making sure roads and walkways are clear. You may remember in the November 2022 election, scenes like this, dicey road conditions for voters. At the time, election officials told us Caltrans and the sheriff's office were even escorting and plowing the way to ensure ballots arrive safely to be counted. The Placer County Elections Office sent us a statement today saying in part they are, quote, always ready with contingency plans, especially when it comes to navigating extreme weather conditions. And similar conditions are expected in El Dorado County, who I talked with today about their storm prep plans.
We're in the Sierra Nevadas and we have a storm coming in that might inhibit some people being able to get to the vote centers. So if they, do have their vote by mail ballot in their hand, if they think they might have a problem getting to the vote centers, they might want to get that into either the mailbox back to us or one of our drop boxes.
They say they're also working with the local sheriff's office to ensure they can get ballots through. Keep in mind, conditional voter registration's also happening right now for voters who missed the February 20th deadline to register to vote. 3 vote centers are open right now in El Dorado County, with 10 more opening this weekend. California's primary election is next Tuesday, March 5th.